Mexican food in 6 months.
Look at this foreign exchange student, he's back!
Shut up.
Get this, bro.
No.
Full chicken. Look at this tourist, he's back.
Tourist.
This one.
No. Are you sure? It's like a meat shop.
Where are you going?
Oh, I miss this smell. Can I get taco de briada?
The tacos?
Yeah.
Okay, how many?
4.
4?
Alright, back here with my race car. Got it off the trailer after sitting on the trailer for 6 months. But last event was pretty ham. Went off multiple times, hit. What? Who did I?
I wasn't there.
No, you were there. Your past thing was popping off.
That was the last time?
That was the last event. Remember I left early?
I think you hit Rob, no?
Oh yeah, and I hit a wall, spun out and hit a wall a couple times. My front fenders, bumper, both my front fender cracked. And finished it off with the blown coupler. I had an extra coupler in Japan, so I brought it with me on plane.
Great.
Looks
Big.
looks same.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe the piping side might be small, but if not,
I got a bunch of extra
yeah,
couplers.
Josh has extra couplers, so. New front tire, fixed arrow, fixed coupler, and this thing is ready to go. I gotta wash this thing right now and start working on it. Our plan is to paint that Sora and 180 over there, but you guys got cars in here, so I can't even do it yet.
Well, this is just trash. This can sit in the sun.
This thing is gonna go in the trash can.
Yeah, Gabe's gonna bring his car home. So we'll have room.
My engine bay is really dusty and dirty. So, and pressure wash the whole car. This thing just busted. I think it's same. Yeah, it's the same size. Oh, maybe not this side. It was the wrong size.
Yeah. Sit. Quick fix.
Quick fix. I'm ordering it today. We didn't have the right size.
Well, at least it's done.
Yeah, done and clean. Welcome back to my channel featuring Iot. Here at Iot's headquarters, we wash car every day. And today we're washing this Taco Skyline. He's gonna list this for sale, so we're gonna clean it real good.
Not that dirty.
3rd days in a row washing cars. It's not even dirty in the picture, just rinsing the dust. Let's put 20s on this car.
Yeah.
We're going to pick up an FD.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. I don't like this. This is tripping me out.
Just helping Josh picking up this FD. He got it wrapped. Let's see how cool or
How lame it is. It's gonna be cool.
how it looks with new color wrapped FD.
You're gonna drive it or what?
I don't know, man.
You can drive it.
So you
Brian,
can get
it rubs the
B-rolls.
whole time. In the rear, remember last time you drove it? I haven't done anything.
No, I don't want that. I wanna get a comfy ride.
In the Prius?
Your unfunctional,
Give me some B-rolls then.
your unfunctional cars.
Sucks. Sucks.
Yeah, so we're just on the way.
What is it called again? Charcoal? Metallic? Metallic.
There you go, 400.
Oh,
Yes,
I do.
Those are sick.
Alright. Kota's gonna drive it home. Sorry if it breaks. Good luck. Looks so cool. Please don't break it, Kota.